크랜베리는 나중에 넣어야겠다. 버터랑 이 버터부터 먼저 만들어.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90. I packed my bags and said goodbye. I shut that door and walked aside. I thought I would be fine, but babe, I ain't. Every little bad mistake caught up so fast I couldn't break it. Now I'm staring down a
이번엔 들어있겠지?
bottleneck.
어?
'Cause I can't get you out of my mind. You're right there looking so fine. I miss you, baby. I miss you, baby. Every argument, every single word,
이거 약간 먹었을 때 마시는 차 아닌가?
every bird. I miss you, baby. I miss you, baby. You got me spinning like a helicopter blade. I'm stuck here in your shade, shade. I'm stuck here in your shade.
이거 분리해야 돼. 나사를 꽂혀 있다는 거네?
날아가 이거 통째로 날아가. 근데 이거
그치. 우리가 살 건 이거잖아. 이 흰 색깔.
이 색깔에 이 사이즈야.
아,
크다 그지?
크다.
자리 차지를 많이 하긴 할 거야 아마.
그래도 사야지 뭐. 사.
I don't know where she came from.
날씨가 너무
Kinda turned
무거운데.
me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about. And And I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. When she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me.